Hello, welcome to class. Today we'll be considering special projects and home finishing. We'll be dealing with sewing curtains, sewing pillowcases, sewing beddings, alterations and mending techniques. Curtains. Curtains can be pleated or a form of eyelet, those that have eyelet. For pleated curtains, the style is usually formal with a classic and elegant look. And the features sewing foots, e.g. pencil, box, pinch pleat. There will be pleats on the curtains. And it is usually best for living rooms, offices, and hotels. For eyelet curtains, the style is usually modern, casual, and stylish. The feature includes metal plastic ring for the rod, and it is best for bedrooms and modern homes. The key steps you need for curtain making include measurement. Measure the window width and the length, also the hem pleats allowance. Then you have to cut and hem both the fabric and the lining. If you are using lining for the curtain, you have to cut it and you have to hem each of them. Then you create a top treatment. If it is pleated, you mark, you fold, and you sew pleats. Attach the cutting tape. For the eyelet, you create a casing, you mark intervals, and you insert the eyelet. Usually, the intervals are the same across the cutting upper region. Then for a good finishing, you have to press for a professional drape. Then we'll move to sewing pillowcases. Pillowcases serve as a comfort and style for the bedroom. There are different types. We have the simple / envelope, which has a basic design with an open end. We have the flap or overlap. This one, the internal flap prevents pillow from slipping out. Then we have the zippered pillowcase, which are secure closure. Then the decorative pillowcase. This one has lace, it can have lace piping or embroidery. The basic step, you measure the pillowcase, you cut the fabric, you sew the 3 sides, and you hem the opening. And lastly, you press for a good look. Sewing beddings. To complete the bedroom set, there is need for good bedding, and it can be of 2 forms: the flat sheet and the fitted sheet. The flat sheet is usually simple and rectangle. You have to hem the 4 sides and lay flat and tucking. But for the fitted sheet, you snug fit with elastic for firmness. So the key step, you cut square from each corner, you sew the seam to create the box shape, and you attach elastic to the edges. Home finishing pro tips. In terms of fabric, you need to use durable pre-washed cotton or poly cotton to prevent shrinkage. Also, consider durability. You can double stitch seam for items that will be frequently washed. And also, precision. Accurate measurements are crucial for a good fit for either the window or the mattress. Then, For aesthetic look, you add decorative touches like embroidery and contrasting borders. Alteration and mending. This is an essential service for, these are essential services for customer loyalty. Alteration deals with resizing and restyling existing garments. Examples include taking in seam, shortening hems, adjusting waistband, and so on. Then for the mending, this deals with repairing damaged items in the fabric or in the dress. Example includes patching the holes, replacing zippers, darning, and sewing buttons. The process needed for alteration and mending. Number one is consultation. You have to discuss what the customer wants. Then you fit and mark. You ensure the garment is being tried on, and you mark changes with chalk or pins. And moving to the execution, you carefully sew adjustment or repairs. The importance, it builds a long-term customer relationships and provide a steady income stream. Tools for alteration and mending are what you need for the repair. You need seam ripper, which is essential for undoing stitches. You need a measuring tape and tailor's chalk. You need a sharp scissors. You need matching threads. You need extra zippers, buttons, and elastics. Then you need a sewing machine and hand needles. Lastly, you need a iron. In conclusion, you can now create beautiful home furnishings such as curtains, pillowcases, sheets, and provide essential alteration and mending service. This has a business impact. It helps you to tap into the profitable home decor market. It also offers a complete service package, building stronger customer loyalty, and it ensures a flow of work beyond just making new goods. Thanks. See you in the next class.